So he is our student actually. So he got job in one of the big IT companies, and he joined Keyspider 6 months ago with a lot of hard work and dedications. Till he got a job. He's like, I would like to him ask about the his experience about the Keyspider, and what is your motivation things for our student who is upcoming studying here. So I just want to ask some experience from you. We'll just go to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Wasim Akram and I completed BTech in CSE from Alia University. After that, I joined Keyspider in the month of July 2024. Here I got a chance to undergo through training in Java, SQL and HTLC by well-talented trainers like SKR sir, Sachin sir, Vishwanath sir, and they helped me a lot to crack this interview. And apart from this, the bootcamp session and grooming session helped me a lot to crack this interview. Through grooming session and bootcamp, I improved my communication skill and presentation skill. I would like to show my deepest gratitude to all the trainers, HRs, counselors, and trackers for their support and guidance. I know that I couldn't have done it without their support. At the last, and but not the least, I would like to say that we all the students are just like Bytepod, and the Q-Spider is just like JRE, which provides a better platform for all the students to execute their self n number of times again and again repeatedly, so that they got a job, and until they got a job, they are not leaving the Q-Spider. And thank you, Mr. SKR sir and Q-Spider, J Spider for the
Congratulations to you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
all the best for your futures.
Thank you.